Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, enter system section, go to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty gigantic. Let's select some aesthetic language and tap done. And now let's try to write something down in our new language. And as you can see, now I have a Greek keyboard here on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.